All right, hello.
Hello.
Today's experiment, you need 3 white flowers, or at least 3 stems. This has more than 1 flower, but it's 1 stem.
Mom.
2 stems, 3 stems. They asked for carnations. They didn't have that in the store. Use what you can as long as it's a white flower, it's fine. You need 4 glasses with water. In each glass, you'll put a different food coloring. Now, Kaya already put yellow in this one. Okay, so now she's gonna put green in this one. You want them to be pretty dark. That's enough. You don't have to count the exact number of drops. All right, Kaya, what color is this one gonna be? You still need blue. And is red in here? Where'd red go?
It disappeared.
I don't think red disappeared. We gotta find it. It's under the table. So which color do you want this one to be? Blue or red?
Blue.
Okay. Okay, that's enough.
So you kids were looking at flowers.
What are we looking at, Kaya?
We're looking at flowers.
Flowers. Okay, and flowers are plants. Okay, so these 2, the tall glasses, we're gonna put 1 each. So we're gonna cut, you can cut sideways on the stem and put 1 in each. And then 1 stem. I know it's more than 1 flower. If you got a carnation, it'd just be 1 flower per stem. As long as it's a white flower, we're fine, okay? So the blue and the green, we're doing 1 flower per stem. We'll put these aside. Right, now this last one, we're gonna cut a little shorter. And then we're gonna carefully cut the stem in half down the middle, but keep it attached, kind of like a Y. You don't want to detach it completely. See, go Y, maybe a little further. And this is why we use the shorter ones for these 2, because now we're going to take this one. What are we going to do, Kaya? Can you put the 2 together?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we're going to split this one half and half. Okay. And we're gonna set all of these aside.
And we're gonna wait.
Okay. And now we will look at these tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow for the rest of this experiment. And then we'll explain kind of what's going on with the plant too.
Mom, let's do another.
Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye. I'm gonna do... Welcome back.
It's only a couple seconds for you, but it's been about 3 days since we've looked at our flowers. You can wait anywhere from 24 to 72 hours to see the results. So here is our flower in the green food coloring by itself. If you look closely, you can see how the petals have turned green on the white petals. The blue one looks similar. This is the blue flower. And this is because normally you don't see this color change because normally it's picking up water. And it picks it up through its stem in a tube called xylem. That's X-Y-L-E-M. The xylem takes water and nutrients up, and the phloem, P-H-L-O-E-M, takes the sugars that the plant makes in its leaves through photosynthesis back down to the rest of the plant for it to eat. The xylem is just pulling up the blue water or the green water. You can just see it because it's not clear. Now, this last one didn't quite turn out how we expected. So this last one, we split the stem and we put it into 2. And we had hoped that we'd see both red and yellow. Notice we don't see anything. This is really important. Okay. This is really important because in science, things don't usually go the way you want them to. They often don't. That's why you have to do experiments over and over again. But also what I think happened is we just damaged the plant. Instead of splitting it evenly and neatly to where it could get water from both sides, we damaged it. And we probably cut open some of that xylem and phloem and, you know, gave it an owie so that the plant couldn't suck up the nutrients that it wanted. So we could repeat it again, or we could put 1 in each. If we put individual flowers, we'd probably see the red and yellow the same way. Okay, so that's it. One of the other capillary action, that is, it's such a small tube that the properties of water stick together. Cohesion is when the water molecules stick to each other, and adhesion is when the water molecules stick to something else. So this creates capillary action pulling that water up from the stem to the flowers and leaves. Thank you for doing science with us. Bye-bye.